I have 6 chicken thighs in here. So we're gonna make a marinade for this, and we're gonna marinate this overnight and cook this tomorrow. I'm gonna coat the chicken in some oil, not too heavy. And I'm going to salt. I'm gonna mix a tablespoon of paprika with half a teaspoon of cumin, with 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cloves, and a 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to this. I'm gonna squeeze half a lime in here. And I'm gonna add half a cup of pineapple juice and half a cup of orange juice. I'm gonna throw in a jalapeño, which I seeded and cut the membrane off. 2 peeled garlic cloves, which I smashed. See you tomorrow. So our chicken marinated overnight. Now I'm going to take it out of the marinade. That smells awesome. We're going to let this sit at room temperature for a good 20 minutes before we start cooking it, okay? I want you to start heating an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That is 200 centigrade. Because we're gonna start this on the stove and finish it inside the oven. Get rid of the marinade, guys. We are going to heat our pan until it's nice and hot. Just gonna add a little oil. We're going to sear this chicken on both sides before we put it in the oven. I'm gonna cook it for about 3 minutes per side, guys. All right, I'm gonna cover this and put it in the oven for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, guys. I'm gonna take off the lid and we're gonna let this cook for another 10. Oh my gosh, guys. It was in the oven for a total of 40 minutes. In my oven, it's cooked through. Please make sure you don't eat raw chicken, okay? I'm gonna cover this again and let it rest for 10 minutes before we cut it. It's caramelized so nicely with the fruit juices in there and the spices. I can't wait to taste this. This would be great meat for tacos. Look how juicy this is. Oh my gosh, it's glistening with moisture. Oh my God. Guys, this is pretty amazing. Thanks for watching the video. See you soon.